What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix slow WordPress sites by reviewing and managing error logs inside of cPanel. Now this is something that a lot of people overlook. If your WordPress site feels slow, times out randomly, or spikes in resource usage, oversized or constantly growing error logs can commonly be part of the problem. These logs record PHP errors, warnings, and notices, and when they grow too large or keep filling up due to repeat errors, they can negatively impact performance. The good news is you can check and clear them safely using cPanel. And this is another benefit of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With built-in metrics and logging tools, you can quickly identify issues that are slowing your site down and cleaning them up without installing extra plugins. If you're not hosting with us yet, head over to racknerd.com. Before we begin, I will mention that error logs are meant to help with troubleshooting, not to grow forever. In this video, we'll review where to find them, how to check what's inside, and how to clear them if they've grown too large. All right, let's move into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're on the main dashboard, scroll down to the metrics section and click on errors. When the errors page opens, you'll see a list of recent error messages generated by your WordPress. These can include PHP warnings, notices, or fatal errors. If you see the same error repeating over and over, that's a strong sign that something on your site, usually a plugin or theme, is misbehaving and contributing to performance issues. Take a moment to scroll through the list and note any patterns. You don't need to fix every warning right now, but repeated fatal errors or constant notices are worth investigating later. Next, we're going to check the actual error log file itself. So go back to your cPanel dashboard and open File Manager. Navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. This is usually the public_HTML directory. Inside this folder, look for a file named error_log. This file can grow very large over time, especially if errors are happening continuously. Right-click on the error_log file and choose View or Edit. If the file is extremely large, it may take a moment to open. Scroll through and confirm that it is mostly old or repeated errors. If you want to clear the log to reduce disk usage and improve performance, you can safely empty it. To do this, select all the contents in the file, delete everything inside, and then click on Save Changes. Alternatively, you can right-click on the error log file, rename it to something like error_log_old, and then create a new empty file named error_log. This gives you a backup of the old log while starting fresh. After clearing or resetting the error log, go back to your browser and reload your WordPress site. In many cases, you'll notice improved responsiveness, especially if that error log file was very large. If errors begin appearing again quickly, that's your signal to investigate the plugin or theme that's causing them. And that's it. You have learned how to manage WordPress error logs using cPanel to improve site performance. While clearing logs won't fix broken code, it does remove unnecessary overhead and gives you a clean slate to identify real issues. This is another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you visibility and control over what's happening behind the scenes. With access to metrics like file log, you can keep your WordPress site running efficiently and catching problems regularly. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to racknerd.com. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more clear step-by-step WordPress guides just like this one. All right, that wraps things up for me today. I will catch you again in the next video.